Chanel selects a marble from a container and then returns it to the container. When she does this 3 times, the probability of choosing a red marble all 3 times is 1 in 216. Based on this information, what is the probability of Chanel choosing a red marble the first time she selects a marble? So we're going to draw a marble from this bag 3 times. There's the first draw, there's the second draw, and the third draw. And we want to know the probability of this first time around. Well, these 3 events, if it's going to happen on the first event and the second event and the third event, we're going to be multiplying these probabilities together. We should think about what is the probability of any one of these draws being a red marble. Well, whatever it is, I want to think about, is the probability changing between draws? And what I think is no, the probability does not change, because no matter what Chanel selects from the container, she's returning it to the container. So every draw, the ratio of red marbles to the other stuff in the bag will be the same. So whatever this probability is, I'll call it P. It happens to be the same on the first, second, and third draws. Okay, I see that there are numbers, fractions really, in the answer choices. So I think this is going to be good for trying answers. I'll start someplace in the middle, and 1/8 looks easier to deal with than 1 36. So I will try 1/8. So if that's the probability, the question is 1/8 times 1/8 times 1/8 equal to 1 in 216? So let's see. We need to know what's 8 times 8 times 8. The first 2 would multiply to 64. And what's 64 times 8? Looks like it's going to be 512. So this whole thing is 1 in 512. That is not equal to 1 in 216. So the answer is no. And G is not the answer. The way I'm thinking about it, the denominator in the end was a little bit too big. We wanted 216, but we got 512. So maybe the denominator of answer choice G was a little bit too big. And H looks pretty good. Let's try that next. So I'll try 1/6. So the question is 1/6 times 1/6 times 1/6 equal to 1 in 216? These first 2 would multiply to a 36. And what's 36 times 6? And what do you know? It's 216. So 1/6 works. And the answer is H.